So dear viewers, welcome to another video. In this video today I will show you how I have withdrawn money in Rupee4Click and I got my payments. It is very difficult to complete my tax verification, fraud verification and app install tasks, but finally I have completed all the tasks and finally I got my payment. So today in this video I will totally show my total procedure after how much waiting and how much critical procedure I have completed, and then I got my payment. So in this video is very special for those users who are the user of Rupee4Click. So before starting the video, I have a small request to all of you. Please watch the full video and subscribe this channel if you are searching for online earning. So according to me, there is only one website by which you can earn money easily, because by referring you can earn up to 250, and installing a simple application you can earn here also. Just I can show you some proof, because in this video, if you want to withdraw your money, you need to complete here some tasks also, because if you are unable to refer your friends and if you are unable to app install tasks complete, so you are totally unable to withdraw your money. So that's why I am here showing some proofs. Install here the application also. I am showing here with my laptop display, but if you want to withdraw your money, you no need to, if you must need to login in mobile phone, because in case of laptop or any desktop version, you are totally unable to install this application and to complete this procedure. Because to withdraw your money, must remember you need to complete first task, that is refer friend, second point app install, and third fraud verification and tax verification. So app install procedure and tasks which you need to install 10 application. That's why Byju's you can easily download this application. If you want to complete this app install tasks, so you need to choose this device in which device you have never installed this application. Understand what I want to say? Because it is not my procedure. In this website you need to follow this procedure, because if you are totally unable to follow this, so you are totally unable to withdraw. So that's why Byju's application you need to install on this device in which device you have never installed this application. If you have installed this application before your device, you just skip this and install another application. Okay, like this you need to choose 10 application, and one by one you need to simply, and there also so survey. It is very easy that there you can get one option, that is survey, take a survey. So in case of survey, it is very easy to complete, so you must complete this. So I think I no need to expand more about regarding this, because you all know about this, how to complete this. So simply about the accepting the terms condition, you can continue and fulfill this. So I am just say here showing you some basic details, because if I am unable to show you, so most probably you user are not able to understand. That's why I am here sharing on basic details. I never share about it, because just choose your gender. I have choose here male, simple employee, full time, part time you can choose, and next please check the box confirm humanity. Okay, so now check I am not a robot, so you need to choose some photos, that is cards. So I have selected some photo and now it's verified. Now you can see here that I have done completely everything and I have said next. And now which year were you born? So I have completely entered, and next, and do you have city or rural? So I have city, belong from city. I don't have any formal education, about your education, so simply I have entered. Please select on which is the best describe industry for your work, advertising. And next, which of the following most closely matches about your job title? So you can randomly select any of the option, because it is not necessary, just you need to fulfill this criteria. That's why you need to attend here. So I am just completing like this. So what is your favorite memory from your childhood? Just enter anything from keywords, no need to enter any basic correct details. So it is too short, so that why now I am also entering some another details also, and simply click the next, and you can see here your profile is completed, and you can see here another option, that is submit. So you can see here this criteria you need to fulfill. If you have completed this criteria, so after completing this criteria you can see here an option, that is payment send. Simply click. If you are belongs from India, so you need to choose Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay or bank transfer India only. But if you are user of out of India, so I highly suggest you please choose PayPal or Bitcoin. because PayPal it is very easy, as I know, because in case of PayPal you need to enter your PayPal name, I means your banking name, and second the PayPal register Gmail ID. But if you are in case of me, I have entered here my Google Pay methods. So I have entered here Google Pay methods and my name enter, and my after that I have completed my details. So now I will show you how I have completed my details and I got my payments. So recently I just want to say one thing, that this website currently now facing so much problem, because many of users are totally unable to complete their tax verification, fraud verification, and to download this tax form. So you no need to think about it, because today this video is totally on this topic. So you get the tax form also, and I will share the tips also how I have completed all these things. So just listen and watch the video carefully. Minimum amount to withdraw the money from this website is 5,000. Totally remember about it, that to withdraw from this website you need to money about minimum 5,000 rupees in your account for Indian currency, and if you are a foreign user, so according to 5,000 rupees you can calculate this. After clicking the get started option, you can see here there your basic details about dashboard, how much money you have earned from this website. And one more thing, you need to see that there is some tracks that regarding the refer friends, so you need to refer. Simply in this website just enter your link and share in a WhatsApp group or any other Telegram user group. So if you need to fulfill this criteria regarding payment, so at first you need to refer friends. If you are unable to complete refer, so no need to work in this website or never think about payment in this website, because in this website to withdraw your money you must be refer some friends. And install app jobs, I have already mentioned a video and created a video about in this topic. So if you have any problem regarding install app jobs, so I have faced when I have make the video regarding this topic. So many of you are working on this application and website, so you have installed the application, but in this website there is a problem regarding the install the application and counting problem. So I have already mentioned solution in this video, so you can watch this video also. So after clicking this payment center option, you need to see here that you will need to enter the correct billing address in your account before we will send you the any payment. So always remember, so before withdrawing your money you must be sure about it that your payment details is you have entered is correctly, because if you have entered your payment details is incorrect, so you are totally unable to withdraw your money, and second time you are totally unable to change your banking details or any other payment details. So simply you can see here there is one option, that is click here. So just simply click here, that is after clicking in this section you need to see here that first you can choose your email address. Email address means the email ID you have used before registration in this type of the registration. So simply put your address, that is your residential address according to your documents. So in this section I have choose the India. If you are belongs from any other country, so you can choose here. So after choosing this you need to choose here your state and city and click here save details. And if you are belongs from India, so you can choose from the 4 option, and if you are belongs from out of India, so you need to choose PayPal or Bitcoin. So I am highly recommended all of you to choose the PayPal, because it is very easy. Pay full name, the name you have entered in your PayPal bank account, so you need to enter your bank details or bank name. After entering your full details, you can see here one option that is request payout and another option that is request fast payout. Okay, but in case of request payout you no need to pay any extra charges, but in case of request fast payout you need to pay 5% transaction fee. Okay, but one more thing, I am belong from India, so I never choose PayPal, I always choose Google Pay. Requested for my payout, and you can see here my transaction details which is visible here, and now it is under processing for almost 2 to 3 days. And after 2 to 3 days I get my payment, and when I get my payment, this year is now 2020 when the website is launched. This time I got my payment. I am not only user, so many user got payment from this website, but recently this website is so critical to withdraw your money because of fraud verification, tax verification. So one by one I will make video about this website. So if you are a regular user of this website, so you can work. And regarding tax verification, I have attached a tax verification file by which you can easily download, and to withdraw your payment you simply click the description where you can find a link. Simply register your basic details and withdraw your money instantly without any further delay.